In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Valorant secure boot and TPM 2.0 error on Lenovo. So let's get started. Now we're going to look at a variety of fixes. So let's get started with the first one, which is check BIOS settings. Check BIOS settings. Now, access BIOS. So to do this, you have to restart your Lenovo device and press the designated key, which is usually F2, the delete key, or escape to enter the BIOS setup. Then you have to locate secure boot. So look for options related to secure boot, boot options, or security. Now, if secure boot is disabled, enable it. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on your BIOS version. Well, check TPM 2.0. Now you have to look for options related to Trusted Platform Module or TPM. Ensure that TPM is enabled and set to discrete or full mode. The second fix is to update your BIOS. Now visit Lenovo's support website and search for BIOS updates for your specific device model. Download the latest BIOS update and follow the instructions provided by Lenovo to install it. The next fix is to verify Windows security settings. Verify Windows security settings. Now click on the Start button and search for Windows security. Look for options related to device security, core isolation, or memory integrity. Ensure that memory integrity is enabled. This feature is often linked to secure boot and TPM requirements. Now, if you're still unable to resolve the issue, contact Lenovo's technical support for further assistance because they can provide you more specific guidance based on your device model and operating system. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.